In this video, I'll be talking about affiliate marketing. So let's get started with what affiliate marketing actually is. Basically, you share a product or service that is from another company and you get your own unique link. When people click on your link and they buy that product or service, then you receive a commission. And a commission is basically a portion of that purchase. So for Amazon associates, you can earn up to a 10% commission. I believe that changes depending on what product you have and things like that. But you can just Google Amazon affiliate, sign up, and then recommend products to other people. So if you're sharing a product like a cookbook or a microphone and you share your unique link for that product, then you could receive a commission off of that. People do things like this all the time and don't even realize it. If you make a post on social media and you're asking like, "Oh, like what do you recommend for a microphone?" or what do you recommend for books?" and people post all of their different ideas. If you post your affiliate link there and people click on it, then you actually get paid for it. So you could be convincing people or informing them to buy a product and missing out on the opportunity to earn commission. However, you do want to be honest and upfront about this, that you are going to make a commission. You want to follow all the terms and conditions. So definitely do your research because every company is going to be different. The commissions are going to be different, and just make sure you're following all of the rules. So for the Amazon program here, they have a few frequently asked questions like how do I earn? How do you sign up? How do you qualify? Every affiliate program is going to have different qualifications. Some you don't really need any following, some you do. They're all going to be different. So, for example, let me show you Best Buy. So, if I scroll down on Best Buy, or let's see here, earn money every time you drive, visitors to bestbuy.com, you could potentially earn a commission if they buy the product. And if you hit sign up, then it should bring you to the page. I'm not entirely sure what their affiliate percentages, but that's something that you could definitely check out if you go to try to sign up. There's this blog post here that goes over, says, I believe, 50 plus of the best affiliate programs. So you can scroll down and see all these different programs and check them out and what works for you and the audience, your audience that you have, and what your followers like. So this group, for example, is best marketing and business affiliate programs. I have a few affiliate links myself in the description below. I currently have the Low Content Profits Academy, the Amazon Advertising Blueprint course, I believe is the name of that program. And I have BookBolt, and a few other companies listed there. I think I may have Publisher Rocket as well. I believe I have a list in the description, but I also have a disclaimer too, because you do want to be upfront and honest about that. But this doesn't cost people anything extra. So if someone buys from your link, if someone buys a product or a service from your link, then as an affiliate, it shouldn't cost them any more. If they pay $50 for a product, that's all they pay is $50. It's just the company gets their portion, but they also give you whatever your commission is. If it's 10%, 50%. So off of a $50 purchase, if you get a 50% commission, then that's $25 that you would receive. And it wouldn't cost that person anything extra. All they have to do is click and order it through your link. So it's definitely not any more expensive for them. At least it shouldn't be. But this website is great. It goes over a lot of different commissions. I just found it, so I haven't completely read through it, but it looks like there's a lot of great information here. And it even shows a commission like 30% here. Some of them are recurring, like that one says lifetime recurring. So pretty much if it's a subscription that people pay for all the time, like for example, BookBolt, then you would get a commission off of every month. That's what it means, like a website that has a recurring commission type of thing. I think Canva also has that as well. Some sort of platforms like that. I'm not sure of BookBolt's or Canva's exact rules, but just to give an example of what that would mean, it's a subscription that would be recurring. And then moving over, even Walmart has one as well. You can earn, and then it says connect, grow, getting started as easy as 1, 2, 3 is what it says here. Have your affiliate links to your storefront. So depending on what you do, this can vary drastically. Depending on what social media platform you're on, if you're in the finance sort of topic, or if you're in business, marketing, making money online, if you're a vlogger, a traveler, a makeup person, there are so many different affiliate programs out there. And if you don't really have a lot of social media accounts, but you do have an email list, maybe an older one, or you've grown your email list in other ways, you can send affiliate links through your email list as well. There are just a lot of different ways to go about affiliate marketing. But I hope this was helpful. I hope it explained a little bit about affiliate marketing. And I definitely do recommend it, especially if you're someone who's constantly recommending products and services to people already. Then it's really usually not that hard to get set up. It doesn't normally take very long. Again, every platform is different. Some of them I signed up for and it's taking me about 5 minutes. Others, it takes longer to do, or they have a wait list, or they have requirements. But if this is something you're interested in, then I hope this video at least gave you a little bit of an introduction. And I just hope that it was helpful. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great day.